Assalamualaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine. Playgroup class, first of all of you take your book New Oxford Modern English Pre-Primer. Let's begin today's lesson. Today our topic is talk. Talk means बात करना. Me, मैं. This is me. ये मैं हूँ. Now students read with me. This is me. T-H-I-S. This I-S is M-E me. This is me. ये मैं हूँ. Playgroup class. These are some action words. Do you know what are the action words? Okay students, I tell you. What we do in our daily routine like walk, eat, sleep, drink, play. These are the action words. The first statement is I run. Run means दौड़ना. मैं दौड़ती हूँ. I-R-U-N run. Now students read with me. I run. मैं दौड़ती हूँ. The next statement is I jump. Jump means कूदना. I-J-U-M-P jump. Students read with me. I jump. मैं कूदता हूँ. The third statement is I sit. Sit means बैठना. I-S-I-T sit. मैं बैठती हूँ. Playgroup class, read with me. I sit. The last statement is I stand. Stand means खड़े होना. I-S-T-A-N-D stand. मैं खड़ी होती हूँ. Now students read with me. I stand. Now students again read with me. I run. I jump. I sit. I stand. Okay students, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye.